Just look at that. Yeah. Hello everybody, it's an unboxing time. Today of a CASIO watch. A vintage model. There's the model number A100MGA-5EF. Silver version. Or steel color version of this same watch. But that watch went to my friend, my buddy. And instead I got this one. You see that? What I didn't like about the steel version was that the screen was black. Over here the screen is the normal CASIO way. And the bracelet on this one seems a little bit more robust. The time seems to be a little wrong over here. We have to change that. On a CASIO watch, how do you change the time? Well, push this button. Then you push that button, and with this button you can change the time. That's EU time, by the way. Over here on my wrist at the moment I have the CASIO F91W. In terms of using a CASIO watch like this, it's the same type of an experience. I think this watch is CASIO's currently highest end watch that you can get. The bracelet feels really fine, and it's a hefty watch. It has some weight to it. But getting the length right with this lock takes a little bit of pushing back and forth on it. What I really liked about this watch is the watch face over here. Those fine lines on it. I really digged how that looked. It's pretty well backlit too. And it's much better backlit than the F91V. You don't even really see the backlight color on it. And with this type of CASIO watch you have three modes. You have the alarm mode, you have the stopwatch, and with the stopwatch it operates so that you click this button over here, it starts the stopwatch, you press the light button, it takes a lap, and if you press the lap button over again, it starts the stopwatch over again. And if you press the mode button is this one, you get to the back. So there's also an alarm over here that you can set to beep every hour. I think it's this mode over here. So with this mode it's going to beep every hour. In this mode you can change the alarm. So that would be whatever time you want to set the alarm to if you use an alarm. So I sometimes have it as the alarm every hour just to keep me in track of time. That's it. It's a very simple watch. Now check that out in the RGB light. It looks pretty much the same as with the other steel version. The light in a little better angle there. See that? And with the backlight, just look at that. Yeah.